We have provided a budget to upgrade 367 bridges and almost 1,600 kilometers of road along our country's longest thoroughfare, the Maharlika Highway from Luzon all the way to Mindanao. Moreover, significant segments of major expressways which are part of the Luzon Spine Expressway network have now been opened to the public. The CLLEX, NLEX-SLEX Connector, and the Plaridel Bypass will be fully completed by the end of this year. CLLEX and the C5 South Link will be fully operational by next year. Dahil sa mga mahalagang daan na ito, ang norte, gitnang Luzon, Maynila at katimugang Luzon ay lalo pa ngayon magiging mas konektado sa isa't isa. Under our Inter-Island Linkage Bridge Program, we expect two major bridges to be opened to motorists this year. One is the Pangil Bay Bridge, touted as the longest water-spanning bridge in northern Mindanao. This bridge will connect Lanao del Norte to Misamis Occidental. The other is the Gicam Bridge in Zamboanga, Sibugay, which shall connect the Olutanga the island to the mainland of Mindanao. In addition, travel to and from Clark Airport is now much faster and more convenient, with the inauguration of the 20-kilometer airport New Clark City Access Road in Pampanga.